Good morning to everybody. Let us start the male reproductive system. Human beings are sexually reproducing organisms. Their sexual dimorphism is completely separate because they are unisexual in nature. Male is completely separated from the female. The male reproductive system. It is a long question for you. The male reproductive system consists of primary sex organs, that is testes, secondary sex organs, that is vasa efferentia, epididymis, vas deferens, urethra and penis, and accessory glands, that is seminal vesicle, prostatic gland, Kuiper glands or bulbourethral glands. What is primary sex organs? Primary sex organs mean it produce gametes, and hormone. Produce gametes and hormones, that is primary sex organs. तेणु एटी gametes तैयारी करछि male gametes, but that is sperm, and it's also produce the male hormones, that is the androgen. Secondary sex organs that convey the gametes, gametes taku convey karuchନ୍ତି, transport the gametes from accessory sex organs, or that is called as the secondary sex organ, that is vasa efferentia, epididymis, vas deferens, urethra, penis. And what are the glands that associated with the male reproductive system? That is seminal vesicles, prostatic glands, and Kuiper glands or bulbourethral glands. ताले हमें गुटे परे गुटे पढ़िवा टेस्टिस. Testes. A pair of testes present in a sac-like structure called scrotum, found outside the abdominal cavity. Suppose this is the abdominal cavity. Outside the abdominal cavity there is a sac-like structure that is called as the scrotum, scrotum. It covers by a skin and hair also present around it. Testes also located inside it. This is the testes. Testes is round, ovals, testis is oval and solid in nature. It is about 5 cm thickness. It is about 4 cm thickness এবং 3 cm 4 cm length. 3 cm বা কো বইরে বি লেখাইছি 2.5 cm, that is wide, এবং সেই একা 3 cm বা 2.5 cm in thickness. that is thickness. Some fat also around seeds. किसी fat layer मध्य आपरे थाए. Fat layer एवं थाए. It present in a pad-like structures that is called as the guberna columns. Guberna column. That is through which the testis is rest. And this is the abdominal cavity. Abdominal cavity. And this is the inguinal canals. This is the inguinal canals. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଦେଖିବା, the scrotum is externally covered by the scrotum is externally covers by hairy skin. Covers by, that is the hairy skins, and present in lateral side of it present in lateral side of penis. Present in lateral side of the penis. Important things is that testes have 2 degree less temperature than the body temperature, So, a pair of testes that present in a sac-like structure that is called as the scrotum, found outside the abdominal cavity. It is present outside the body. So, because it has 2 degree less temperature than the body temperature, and low temperature is suitable for the developments of the body, which helps in formation of sperm. It is good for the sperm, but it helps in proper developments of the sperm. So it is 2 degree less temperature than that of the body temperature. It connected with abdominal cavity. It connected with abdominal cavity by inguinal canal. A duct called spermatic cord arises from the testes and passed through the inguinal canals. A duct called spermatic cord arises from the testes and passes through the inguinal canals. It helps to hold the testes in proper positions. It helps to hold the testes in proper positions. Lekham. It held the testes in proper positions. It helps the testes in proper position. There is a spermatic cord. This is called as the spermatic cord. Tenu, there is a cord that helps the testes in proper positions and it communicates towards the abdominal cavity. तापरे पढ़िबा histology of testes. Histology of testes. पढ़िबा histology of testes, but that is also called transverse section of testes. Histologically testes surrounding by यदि histology में देखिबा histologically testis covers by three covering. तीनटा कवरिंग्स ता देर रही ट्यूनिका वेजिनालिस, ट्यूनिका वेजिनालिस, सेकंड होची ट्यूनिका अल्बुजिनिया, ट्यूनिका अल्बोजिनिया, ट्यूनिका भासोकोलोसा, ट्यूनिका भासोकोलोसा, that is ट्यूनिका भासोकोलोसा, VASCULOCA. ताले वर्तमान देखिबा this is called as the tunica vaginalis. Tunica vaginalis. This covering is called tunica vaginalis. Below that, the main covering that covers it covers the testes. That is tunica albuginea. This layer is called tunica albuginea. It is the actually covering of the testes. Covering of the testes. जदि पढ़े covering of the testes, ताले एटा को ही लिखियो पड़िबो tunica albuginea. Below that, ता भितर गोटे रही जोटा कि भल भाव जना पड़े ना यही लेयर टा हूँ दिस इज कॉल्ड एज दी ट्यूनिका भासोकोलोसा. जो डॉट 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 मारी लेयर टे दिस इज कॉल्ड ट्यूनिका भासोकोलोसा. ताने हिस्टोलॉजिकली ईच टेस्टिस कंसिस्ट ऑफ थ्री पार्ट्स, दैट इज थ्री कवरिंग ट्यूनिका वेजिनालिस, ट्यूनिका अल्बुजिनिया एंड ट्यूनिका भासोकोलोसा. ट्यूनिका अल्बुजिनिया ता मझिरे गोटे गोटे सेप्टा तैयारी करछि, गोटे गोटे पार्टीशन तैयारी करछि. दिस इज कॉल्ड द सेप्टा. এবং this is called as the compartment that is called lobules. That is called lobules. से कथा तुम लिख परियो testicular septa internally the tunica albuginea folded to form many septa. कौन करुची ना इंटरनली सेप्टा है ना दिस सेप्टा ड्यू टू द प्रेजेंस ऑफ सेप्टा more than 200 cone-like compartment are found called lobules. That is called as the सेटा कौन कह ना that is called as the lobules. ना ताले एगुडा गोटे गोटे कंपार्टमेंट एगुडा कह जाए लब्यूल्स. प्रत्येक लब्यूल्स भितरे in each lobules so many seminiferous tubules are present. प्रत्येक lobules मझिरे there is 1 to 3 long thin coiled there are 1 to 3 long thin coiled structure found in each lobules called seminiferous tubules. That is called as the seminiferous tubules. जब हमें seminiferous tubules को देखिबा histology of seminiferous tubules. जदि तार हिस्टोलॉजी हमें देखिबा आ भितरे 1 ରୁ 3 thin long coiled structures found in each lobule that is called seminiferous tubules. जदि seminiferous tubules रो मध्य हमें देखिबा ताल देखिबा seminiferous tubules रे एमितिका सबु राउंडेड स्ट्रक्चर सब बाहरिबो तर तीनटा थिबो तीनटा एमितिका এই গুড়াক প্রত্যেক হচ্ছে গোটে গোটে seminiferous tubules. The outer layer of seminiferous tubules, that is called germinative epithelium. Outer layers of seminiferous tubules, that is called germinal epitheliums. এই যে লেয়ার গুড়াক আসলা, this is called germinal epithelium. This is lumen, and some cells are present, long cells are present. They are called Sertoli cell. Sertoli cell provides nourishment to the developing sperm. এবং আপরে এটি হচ্ছে spermatogonia. This is called spermatogonia. Spermatogonia. এবং from spermatogonia, this is the different stages of spermatogenesis. Different stages of spermatogenesis. This is the different stages of spermatogenesis. आउ कौन देखाई आ भितर किछि रही लेडिक सेल. आ भितर किसी रही लेडिक सेल or interstitial cell which produce the male hormone, that is androgen. Androgen. তাহলে আমি টিকে বুঝিবা যদি হিস্টোলজি অফ সেমনিফেরাস টিউবুলস নিয়া যায়, যদি তার হিস্টোলজি নিয়া যায় তাহলে আমি কোন দেখিবা যে এমতিকা রাউন্ডেড স্ট্রাকচার বাহিরবো যেটা কোয়া যায় সেমনিফেরাস টিউবুলস. The outer layer of the seminiferous tubules, that is called as the germinal epithelium. That is why it is called germinal epithelium, from which this germ cell, that is sperm, is formed. এই মঝির এটা থিব after spermatogenesis, এটি তৈরি হইতিব, this is sperm. না then so due to formation of germ cell from this layer, this is called as the germinal epithelium. Even some cells of the germinal epitheliums are elongated, which is called Sertoli cell. That main and important function of that Sertoli cell is provide nourishment to the developing embryo. Provides nourishment to developing embryo. That provides nourishment for the developing embryo. So some cells are large, they are called Sertoli cell. They provide nourishment of the developing embryo. From cell of the germinal epithelium is large, from which the spermatogonia are formed. Then spermatogonia undergoes spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis means the process in which the sperm is formed from spermatogonia. किमती spermatogonia हबो, spermatids हबो, primary spermatocyte, secondary spermatocyte, then sperm. Then different stages of formation of sperm, that is called as the spermatogenesis. सेपे तो लिखा है different stages of spermatogenesis are formed. That is spermatogonia. And at last, this sperm is produced. At least this sperm is produced. So, in between the seminiferous tubules, there is the connective tissue is present. ए भितर सब रही कनेक्टिव टिश्यू एगुड़ा कौन connective tissue. In between the seminiferous tubules, the connective tissue are present because it connects different cells. And inside that connective tissue, there is a special type of cell that is called as the Leydig cell or interstitial cell, which is responsible for formation of the male steroid hormones that is called as the androgens. Then, the testis is also called as the primary sex organ because it is the primary organ for the formation of the gametes, male gametes, that means the sperm, as well as the male hormones, that is called as the androgen. तेणु एटा होची हिस्टोलॉजी ऑफ टेस्टिस. प्रत्येक टेस्टिस इस टेस्टिस जदि हमें हिस्टोलॉजी देखिबा ताले इट इज कवर्स विथ 3 लेयर्स, ट्यूनिका वेजिनालिस, ट्यूनिका अल्बुजिनिया and tunica vesiculosa. Actually, tunica albuginea that covers the पढ़े बहुत समय dash is the covering of the testis. An important functional covering of the testis, that is tunica albuginea. And tunica albuginea is folded, भीतर को folding से जाइए to form many septa, or that is also called as the septum. Due to formation of that septum, each testis is divided into near about 200 cone-shaped compartment that is called as the lobules. In each lobule, in each compartment, there is 1 to 3 long, coiled, thin, tube-like structures that is called as the seminiferous tubules. So actually seminiferous tubules is the site for the functional site of the testis, from where the sperm is formed and hormones also produced. If we take the transverse section of the seminiferous tubules, but that is called histology of seminiferous tubules, it looks like this. Each seminiferous tubules, they are lined with, covers with germinal epithelium cell, and that germinal epithelium cell is responsible for formation of the germ cell. And some cell of the germinal epithelium, they are elongated and called as Sertoli cells that provides nourishment to the developing sperm. And from germinal epithelium cell, some large cell of the germinal epithelial layers, they divides and redivides to form many spermatogonia. And this spermatogonia is the first cell of the process of the spermatogenesis. Then each spermatogonia undergoes spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis means the process where the sperm is formed. And the end product of spermatogenesis, that is the formation of the sperm. All the sperm, they are located in the lumen or cavity of the seminiferous tubules. Another important thing is that in between the seminiferous tubules, there is so many connective tissue is there, and inside the connective tissue there is a special type of cell is there which is called interstitial cell or Leydig cells, which is primarily responsible for secretion of the male steroid hormones, that is the androgen, and androgen is responsible for formation of the sperm and overall development of the male reproductive system. So histology of testes, it is very important for theory as well as the practice. Okay. So all the seminiferous tubules, they make a net-like structures. They make a net-like structure that is called as the rat testes. This is net-like structure. This is net-like structure. That is called as the rat testes. A system of each seminiferous tubule of the testes, they united to form a net-like structure. Samaste misiki ute net-like structure teri kale, that is called as the rat testes. Seita ko ame kon koiba na, that is called as the rat testes. तापर पढ़िबा भाषा एफरेंसिया. तापर पढ़िबा दैट इज भाषा एफरेंटिया. भाषा भाषा एफरेंटिया काहाकू कहबा से कहूँ देयर इज अबाउट 50 to 10 8 एमतिका long cylindrical 15 to 10 long cylindrical tubules are arises, that is called as the भाषा एफरेंटिया. सेटा कहजिबो भाषा एफरेंटिया. there are about देखो there are about 15 to 20 long, 15 to 20 long slender duct arises from the rat testes and join with epididymis. Join with, that is called as the epididymis. Efferentia arises from the testes. तेणु सहीटा हूँ भाषा एफरेंसिया. तापर आसवा एपिडाइडामिस. एपिडाइडामिस तापर कौन है भाषा एफरेंसिया रु एटी गोटे कॉइल स्ट्रक्चर रही that covers एटा कहजिबो epididymis. That is called as the epididymis. There is a small structure covers the upper pool of the testis. A structure, a coiled structure covers the upper pole of the testes. It is divided into three parts. It is divided into three parts. कौन parts रही? Caput epididymis, corpus cauda, caput, corpus and cauda. That is three parts. That is corpus epididymis, first caput epididymis, then corpus epididymis, out roichi cauda epididymis. तीनटा है गोटे कापुट जेटा हूँ कर्पस एवं आउट हूँ CAUDA, that is called as the cauda epididymis. है ताले बर्तमान देखिबा एई पार्टटा हूँ कापुट epididymis, ए मझी पार्टटा हूँ that is corpus epididymis, तल पार्टटा हूँ cauda epididymis. That is called epididymis. It serves to transmit sperm. तार काम होची it serves to transmit from it helps in transmit sperm. It helps in transmit the sperm from the vasa efferentia to vas deferens. That is vasa efferentia to that vas deferens. DEFERENCNS difference, RENS, vas deferens. आउ कौन सा काम करूँ for the sperm and contributes to it store the sperm and contributes to seminal vesicles, contributes to, that is seminal vesicles. तापर आसवा vas deferens. हला नेक्स्ट पार्ट में आसवा नेक्स्ट क्लास रे, that is vas deferens. आज ये था वो क्लास.